Suppose a receipts and payments account of a club is given as follows, and it is for the year ended 31st December 2010. On debit side, to balance BD 5,000, to subscription 6,000, and total 11,000. And on credit side, by wages 4,000, and by balance CD 7,000, and total 11,000. And additional information is capital as on 1st January 2010 was 10,000, and furniture on 1st January 2010 was 5,000. And you are asked to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet as on 31st December 2010. So let's prepare income and expenditure account. And I'm going to draw the lines for balance sheet also. And in this question, two balance sheets will be made for 31st December 2010 and 31st December 2009. It can be called balance sheet in the beginning. This should be the format when you solve the question in your examinations. First of all, we'll take the addition information. The capital in the beginning was 10,000. Naturally, capital is not concerned with your income and expenditure account. It will be taken to the balance sheet on liability side. Capital, that will be 10,000. It will be in the beginning because it's clearly stated in the question. And furniture was 5,000 as on 1st January 2010. So on asset side, we'll write down furniture 5,000 rupees in the first column. So we have taken all the additional information. Now we'll go to the receipts and payment account. First item, that is to balance BD 5,000. It means this is the opening balance. This receipts and payments account is for 31st December 2010. So opening balance means this balance was on 1st January 2010 or 31st December 2009. So this balance will be taken to the balance sheet because cash always belongs to the balance sheet. So cash 5,000 in the first column, I mean to say on 31st December 2009. Now on the receipt sides, there is to subscription 6,000. Naturally, this club has got, or this organization has got 6,000 subscription. Subscription means contribution by the members. It means the members have contributed rupees 6,000. Naturally, it's an income for the organization, and incomes are always taken to the income statement. So we'll write down by subscription 6,000. So all items have been taken on the debit side. Now let's move to the credit side of receipts and payments account. By wages 4,000. It means the club or organization has paid 4,000. This is the expenditure, and all expenses are taken to the debit side of profit and loss account. But in this situation, we'll call it income and expenditure account. So 4,000 will be taken to the debit side. To wages 4,000. And then the item is by balance CD 7,000. Means this is the closing balance of cash as on 31st December 2010. You know, cash balance is not concerned with the income and expenditure account. This will be taken to balance sheet on asset side, cash balance. And on 31st December 2010, it was 7,000. So this way, first of all, we'll try to calculate profit. Not profit, we'll call to surplus. Basically, it's a profit, but we can't call it profit because this is NPO, I mean to say non-profit organization. So on the credit side, the total is 6,000, and the debit side will have to write down to surplus 2,000. In this way, the total is 6,000 rupees. So this is the income for the organization. Now you have to prepare capital account. I strongly suggest when you are trying to solve this question, because this is the easiest question I have taken up. But in the coming episode, the question will be a bit tougher, and sometimes it becomes very difficult to handle all these items. So whenever you solve this question, you should use double cheat so that the calculations or all these items become easy for you. So now you have to prepare capital account. You know, capital account on credit side, we write down by balance BD. And on debit side, we write down to balance CD. So by balance BD means opening balance was 10,000. It's clearly stated in the balance sheet. Opening balance sheet was 10,000. Moreover, it was in the additional information. And by surplus, that was 2,000. You know, all profits are taken to the credit side of capital account. So this surplus will be taken to the credit side by surplus 2,000, and to balance CD will be 12,000 rupees. And this is the CD, to balance CD means closing balance of the capital account. So this closing balance of 12,000 will be taken to the balance sheet as on 31st December 2010. Now make the totals please. Opening 10,000, 10,000 and closing 12,000, 12,000. Balance sheet is balanced. It means question is all right. So this will be the way to solve the question. Suppose receipts and payments count for the year ending 31st December 2010 is given. On debit side, to balance BD 5,000, to subscription 6,000, and the total is 11,000. And on credit side, by wages 4,000, by balance CD means closing balance 7,000, and the total is 11,000 rupees. And some additional information are given at the footnotes, which are as on 1st January 2010, furniture was 5,000, and furniture to be depreciated by 10%. So in this question, it's an additional thing that we have to depreciate furniture. That is 10%. No rate is given per annum or per month. It means it's a flat rate. So first of all, and you are asked to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet as on 31st December 2010. So write down the format of income and expenditure account in T shape and balance sheet. But be careful, you have to prepare balance sheet for 2 years, for the current year as well as for the previous year. Although the question has not instructed you to prepare the balance sheet for the beginning, but you are supposed to prepare it to make the question convenient. And this format should be ready with you. Be careful. Whenever you solve this question, try to solve this question on double sheets. So first of all, we'll take the additional information. That is, on 1st January 2010, the furniture was 5,000. So it's an asset. So write it down on the asset side. Furniture. In the beginning, it was 5,000 rupees. And next information is depreciate furniture by 10%. You know, 10% of 5,000 is 500 rupees. It means next year the furniture will be 4,500, because in last year it was 5,000. Now it has been depreciated by 500 rupees. Now it should be 4,500 rupees. Secondly, depreciation is an expenditure, that is revenue expenditure for the club or for the NPO. It should be taken to the debit side of income and expenditure account. You know it very well as you did it in final accounts in the previous class. To depreciation on furniture, that is 500 rupees. Now let's go to the receipts and payments account. The first item is to balance BD 5,000 rupees. You know, this is the opening cash balance. So naturally it will be taken to the balance sheet. So cash balance in the beginning was 5,000. Now let's go to the next item, subscription. You know, subscription means contribution by the members of the organization. This organization has got 6,000 rupees during this year. This is income for the organization. So it will be taken to the credit side of income and expenditure account, buy subscription 6,000 rupees. Now let's go to the credit side. Buy wages 4,000. This is expenditure for the organization. It will be taken to the debit side of income and expenditure account. 2 wages 4,000. And next item of the receipts and payments account is buy balance sheet is 7,000. Means closing cash balance is 7,000 rupees. Naturally, cash balance is always taken on the asset side of the balance sheet. So cash balance will be 7,000 at the end. We are preparing 2 balance sheets in the beginning and at the end. So everything is finished now. First of all, make the total of the balance sheet on asset side in the beginning, that's 10,000. It means, both sides should be equal. So in the beginning it should be 10,000 rupees. Now the thing is, there is no item on the capital and liability side. Naturally, we'll assume this is the capital 10,000 rupees. Now, we have to prepare capital account. On credit side, buy balance BD, and on debit side, 2 balance CD. All incomes are taken to the, all surplus is taken to the credit side of capital account, because capital account has got the credit balance. If you try to write any item on the credit side, that will increase the balance of capital account. If you write down any item on the debit side of capital account, that will reduce the capital account in the balance sheet. So on credit side, buy surplus 1,500. So the total is 11,500, and to balance CD will be 11,500 rupees. This is the closing balance, and this closing balance will be taken to the balance sheet in the closing balance sheet, that is 11,500. So both side total will be 11,500. If the balance sheet is going to agree, it means our question is all right.